Is your Mercedes GLS struggling to connect to Apple CarPlay, leaving you without your maps or music? Data suggests that up to 80% of intermittent connection issues are actually caused by external hardware or minor software glitches. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to get your system back online. Start by performing a hard reset of the MBUX unit, then clear existing profiles and check your physical connection cable. If the car side is fine, dive into your iPhone settings to confirm that restrictions or Siri configurations aren't blocking the handshake. Sometimes the MBUX system itself needs an update, which you can check for in the vehicle settings menu. Most issues are solved at home, but persistent failures might indicate a failing communication module that requires professional intervention. As you can see, a simple system reset is your most effective tool for restoring connectivity. If you're still stuck, check for debris in your phone port and try the secondary USB port located in your console. Keep a high-quality data cable and a can of compressed air in your glove box for quick troubleshooting on the go. Remember that persistent glitches might point to a larger gateway communication error that shouldn't be ignored. Try these steps today and let us know in the comments if your CarPlay is back up and running.